Welcome to English with Ammy.
Hey there. When you want to talk about something you'll be doing at a specific moment in the future, well, today we are going to unlock a really simple but super powerful English tense that does exactly that. It's called the future continuous. Let's dive in. So, what is this tense all about? Well, think of it like this. You are talking about an action that will be in progress or, happening at a certain point in the future. It's not just about what you will do, but what you will be doing. It really helps you paint a much clearer picture of what the future will look like. Now, the best part about this tense, honestly, it follows a super simple, really reliable formula. Once you get this structure down, you can use it correctly every single time with any verb you can think of. And here it is. It's literally just 3 easy steps. First, you start with your subject. That's I, you, he, they, whatever. Then you always add the magic words will be. And finally, you just take your main verb like study or play and stick ing on the end. That's the whole thing. Okay, so theory is one thing, right? But let's actually see this formula in action. We are going to look at a few examples. You can see how this builds into real useful sentences that you can start using like today. Alright, let's take our first example. I will be studying tonight. See that pattern right away? You've got the subject I, our keywords will be, and then the verb study with that ing at the end. Simple. So what's this sentence really telling us? It means that later tonight at a specific moment, say around 9 p.m., the action of studying will be happening. It won't be over. It will be an ongoing thing. Here's another one for you. He will be playing cricket tomorrow. Again, just look for that same reliable structure. We've got our subject, then comes will be, and finally our verb playing. And this tells us that at some point tomorrow, you can imagine him right in the middle of a cricket game. The action of playing will be in progress at that future moment. So what about a group of people? Does it change? Nope. It works exactly the same. They will be watching a movie. See, the structure holds up perfectly, whether you're talking about one person or a whole bunch of people. This just paints a really clear picture of their future plan, right? At some point soon, they'll be sitting together, the movie will be on the screen, the action of watching is what will be actively going on. Okay, so you've seen how it all works. I have a feeling you're ready to try this for yourself. Let's do a little bit of practice just to make sure you've really got this down. Here we go. First one, she be cooking dinner. What's that one little missing word that we always need in our structure? I'll give you a second to think about it. Did you get it? The answer is will. She will be cooking dinner. Fantastic. You see, you've got the subject, you've got will be, and the verb with ing. Perfect. Alright, let's try another one. We be traveling next week. Just remember that simple three-part formula we talked about. What's missing right here? Yes, that's it. It's will again. We will be traveling next week. You see how that pattern is always the same? That's what makes it so easy to remember. You're doing a great job. Okay, how about one last one? The children be playing in the park. What's the word that's going to complete this sentence perfectly? That's it. You've got it. The answer, of course, is will. The children will be playing in the park. You have totally got this. Excellent, excellent work. You did an absolutely fantastic job with that practice. Learning any new tense is really all about understanding the structure and then, actually using it. And that brings us to the single most important part of this whole lesson. The biggest takeaway here is this. The absolute best way to master the future continuous is just to practice it. So here's a little mission for you. Try to make 3 of your own sentences today. I mean, think about it. What will you be doing tomorrow night? What will your friends be doing this weekend? Get creative with it. Thanks so much for hanging out with me and have fun practicing.
Please comment your answer and see you in next video. Bye-bye.